Criminal investigation. Criminal investigation refers to the collection of facts to accomplish the fold aim, to identify the guilty party, to locate the guilty party, and to provide evidence of his guilt through criminal proceedings. Second is information. Is an accusation in writing charging a person or a group of person of an offense that is subscribed by the prosecutor or fiscal. It is obtained on oath and includes the name of the party, the offense committed, facts of the offense, and other factors relevant. Third is compliant. It is a sworn written statement charging a person or a group of an offense that is subscribed by the offended party, such as the victims of the offense committed or any or any other peace officers charged with the enforcement of the law violated. Next is search warrant of arrest. Is an order in writing issued in the name of the people of the Philippines, signed by the judge and directed to a peace officer, commanding him to arrest the person designated and take him into custody of the law in order that he may be bound to answer for the commission of the offense. Next is search warrant. Is an order in writing issued in the name of the people of the Philippines, is slain by the judge of directed to a peace officer, commanding him to search for personal property and bring it before the court. Next is basic principle of warrant of arrest. Duties of arresting officer. First is it shall be the duty of the officer executing the warrant without necessary duty to arrest the accused and to deliver him to the nearest police station. Second is during arrest with or without warrant, it shall be the duty of arresting officer to inform the person to be arrested of the cause of the arrest, of his constitutional rights in dialect or language known to the subject, except when the flees or forcibly resist. Third is the officer must present the warrant of the person arrested in case that he did not bring with him at the time of arrest. He shall be shown to him as soon as practicable. Fourth is no torture, force of violence, or any other means which vitiate the free will of the arrested person. Next is the basic principle of search warrant. A search warrant must be served within 10 days from its date. There's after it shall be void in the following manner. First is the police officer concerned must go to the place indicated in the search warrant and take the things described therein in the pressure of at least competent witness who is a resident of the neighborhood, or if he is refused admittance to the place of search after giving notice of his purpose and authority, he may force himself into execute the warrant, and if he is detained herein, he may force himself out to liberate himself. Next is, the search must be made at daytime unless otherwise stated. Next is, the officer seizing the property must issue a detailed receipt of the things seized to the person in who, whose possession it was found, or in the absence of such person. He must, in the presence of at least one witness, leave such receipt in the place where such things were seized. Next is, as much as possible during the opening of safes, drawers, cabinets, tablets, etc., the lifting of the article should be done by the owner of the house or his authorized representative, or by immediate members of his family, to preclude any suspicion of theft or planting of evidence. Next is, thereafter, the officer must immediately deliver the things or property seized to the judge who issued the warrant, together with an inventory duty verified under oath. Next is raid. A raid is a surprise invasion of a building or area. Raids are usually made after careful investigation and when other methods or accomplishing the mission are not suitable. Next is probable cause. Means the facts and circumstances that would engender a well-grounded belief that a crime has been committed and the person has been committed. Next is quality policy. The Isabela State University endeavors to be a lead university in instruction, research, extension, and resource generation through continuous improvement of services. First is to uphold the commitment. ISU shall attain the following quality of objectives: sustain academic excellence and quality in instruction, generate research breakthrough, engage in sectoral activities for community development, develop products for globalization, support student participation to local and international to enhance their potentialities, comply with the standards set by statutory, regulatory, and accrediting bodies, and review on periodic basis the quality management system, and gather feedback on the level of client satisfaction as basis for continuous improvement.